Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again this morning for another live video tutorial. Before we get started, I want to remind you that today and tomorrow are the last 2 days of our Stampin' Up! Seasonal sale. There's additional 10% off bundles, so it's a total of 20% off the bundles. We have discounts on designer paper, cardstock, and inks out of our annual catalog. So really good sale this week, but only tomorrow's the last day. And plus, I'm having 20% off of my adhesives. Hello, I can't say the word yet. Off of adhesives. So if you want adhesives, you need to place your order with me. Let me put it in for you so I can give you the discount. Okay, so what we're going to work on today, we're going to do, this is our goal this week, we're going to do 3 cards and 3 tags today. We're using the Mix and Match products from the mini catalog. And we have this kind of creativity made fun and easy over a few pages. So these are, we have some cards and envelopes, we have tags, we have sentiments, and then we have some little images, so ephemera packs. These are all die cuts, there's no stickers. These are great. We're not even gonna do any stamping. You just put them together and that's all we're gonna do. And then what's great is on the next page, they even give you some layouts for cards and tags. And then they have a bunch of samples. So you can just copy what they have. You don't even have to, do anything different unless you want. So, and then we have this pack, which we did last week. And you could, whatever you have left over, you can mix and match. The colors, we've got green, red, and blue, green, red, and blue. So they all kind of coordinate. Okay, and you know what? While I was opening my catalog, I found a stamp stuck inside my catalog today that says Mary, and thank goodness I was looking, or I would have never found that. Okay, so we are going to start with our green cards. So let me show you. We've got the green, blue, and red coordinating envelopes. Now, these cards are double-sided. So you could cut them in half and then make, if you throw in some extra cardstock and envelopes, you could make 18 cards instead of just 9. So if you're looking to make a bunch of cards, you can double duty. You can make 2 out of 1. I'm not going to do that today, but I might cut them up later and make another one. And what's great is all of the ephemera packs are, I'm looking for my bold folder. The ephemera packs are, we get 2 of each. There it is. We get 2 of each sheet. So you could literally do 2 of the same cards by just cutting it in half and putting them on card fronts. So these cards you could use either portrait style with the gold on the right. You could do landscape with the gold on the bottom. So versatile either way. All right, let's grab, now I took my, I was looking at these last night and I took some of them apart. These are the sentiments. I jumped on a little bit early, but we're having our tornado siren practice right now, so apologize if you can hear that. Lots and lots of sentiments, so we can make a ton of tags with the little ones, and then we have these pretty gold ones too. So I've already taken some out, as you can see, and then these are the sheets of images, and I pulled out a bunch. There's some just stacked on top. So you get 2 of each sheet. There's a whole bunch in here. Okay, and then with our tags, same thing with the tags. I've already punched some of the sheets out so that it doesn't look like there's as many, but that's just because I've taken them out and then thrown away the top. So we have those. We have some little tags. We have the big tags, which I already punched out. We're going to use some of those today. So lots and lots of pieces. Okay, so today we're going to do our green cards. And then we're going to do 3 tags. Okay. Great. All right, so with our first one, I love these little reindeers. I think they are so cute. And I thought I'd put 2 of them with this Pretty Seasons Greetings right here. What's great about these things is that you can fill up the whole card and you don't need to have a whole lot. With the Seasons Greetings, it's pretty thin, so I'm just using little dabs of liquid glue. Very small dabs, because liquid glue and foil, you don't want to get liquid glue on your foil pieces. So you just want to use the bare minimum. And I'm going to put this as close to the right as I can. Give that a press. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to, as long as I have my glue out, let's see. That's a little bit clogged. That's okay. We're going to put this one up high and glue him down, and then we'll pop up the smaller one in front. I'm just going to use 2 dimensionals. I think that'll be enough. And we'll just kind of overlap him. Oh, that's so pretty. I think that's all we're going to do. I mean, how easy is that? Now, you can embellish if you want. You can just leave it as is, whatever you want to do. You can do as much or as little as you want, which is great. Okay, now with this one, we have these little Christmas trees, and you could do them. They could go all the way across. You could trim it. I'm actually going to just put them across the middle. Does that look straight? Maybe. And then I'm going to take this Merry Christmas out of the sentiment set, and we're going to pop this one up. It's pretty long, so I'll do one in the middle. All right, do you guys ever have those days where you just can't get to sleep? I don't think I got to sleep till 4 o'clock this morning. I just had one of those days, one of those nights, man, my brain wouldn't stop working. So I ended up getting up and finishing my Christmas shopping online, so that was helpful. Okay, so isn't that cute? Look at that pretty star up there. I love the gold accents on these pieces. Okay, last one. I'm going to do this one portrait style. Look at this pretty tag. I love that tag. And then we have the cutest little snowman and a little sentiment that says, "Let it snow." And then for ribbon, I can either use my gold trim from the Gold and Silver trim, or we have this new gold twine from, it's an online exclusive. It goes with the Valentine's set, but that would go with so much. But I think for this one, I'm just going to do this gold right here. And we'll just fold that in half, put it through the tag, since we've got kind of a larger hole on the tag. If it was a small hole, I'd probably do the twine. Okay. All right, I'm gonna, let's see, we'll cut that down a little bit. All right, let's make our tag. I'm going to pop up our snowman. It's just so cute. And then we're gonna pop up our little banner. I'm going to put my dimensionals more in the middle since they're going to pop up on the snowman. Let it snow. And then since we already have 2 layers of pop-up, we're just going to adhere this down flat. I'm going to stick it this way. Do I like it that way? Do I like it that way? I don't know. I feel like I want the gold to be on the left side. This gold to be on the left, but I can't get that to happen. So, what I do want to do, I think, I'm going to grab these. These are transparent adhesive back dots. These are in the annual catalog. And I just want to put maybe a large and a small of the green up here. And a small. Just to add a little bling. Because why not? I don't think that one needs it. And I don't think the deer needs it. I think we're good. So here are our 3 cards. We put those together in just a few minutes. Super easy to do. So we have enough supplies to do 2 of each. So you can cut, you know, the backs off and make another one. I may do that. I don't know yet. Still thinking about it. Okay, so we've got those. Now let's make some tags. So I pulled out 3 of our larger tags and then some pieces to go on them. All right, so this one, I love hot chocolate. I'm looking for my dimensionals. Here they are. So we're not doing any stamping. You know, if you have stamps, you can stamp some sentiments too, or stamp little backgrounds, whatever you want to do. But we're going easy today, so we're just going to use what we have. And do 'Tis the Season. And then I might just glue this to my cup. Just to add a little extra something. Why not? Okay, there's one. And then we've got this cute wreath. I haven't actually talked to anybody today, so my mouth isn't working yet. Okay, I have texted people, I've emailed people, I've not talked to people. All right, so you're the first ones I'm talking to. Let's put a little glue right there. Oh man, you know what? That dimensional is all folded over. Let's try this again. Okay. I'm just going to overlap that a little bit. All right, that's 2. Aren't these quick? I love these things. I am going to adhere these flat and do one up here. I want the petals to go out a little bit. And one right here. And then I'm going to take this one. We used the other one on the this one, but I really like this one. Or we could save it and let's see if we've got a different one. Let's look and see if we have a different word. Hold on, I gotta put that somewhere where I won't lose it or it'll stick to something. I am looking for sentiment that would, I feel like that's too big. Nope, nope. Sending cheer, I want a different color. Here's one. Happy Holidays. Let's do that one. One, 2. Cute. Okay. let's see. Let's do these. I don't know where to put it. My hand doesn't want to land on anything. Where'd it go? I had one. I thought I had one. I don't know what happened to it. We'll find it. It'll show up. Usually it's stuck to me somewhere. Okay. So these are all super cute. These I will probably hang on packages. Now that I've done all my Christmas shopping, I'm gonna have to focus on wrapping. So I did buy wrapping paper that was pretty generic so that I could use any amount of red or green tags. That was my goal. I'm doing red and green tags, and these will be perfect. I'm just going to cut off some string. Most of my gifts are packages, so they're not bags. So I'm just going to tie these. Whoops. Boy, I didn't cut that in half, did I? Okay. I'm going to just put these in bows, and then I can write the names on the back and then just stick them on the packages. And some of my packages are good size, so it's nice to have a big tag right there. Okay. Let's tie this in a bow. And then if you want a heavier bow, you could use that the gold ribbon we just used. I'm getting a little low on that, so I'm going to save it for something else. So today, literally, it's been like 15 minutes, and we've already got 3 cards. We could have easily made another 3 cards, same cards, just cutting out cutting the cards in half and using the same product. So aren't those beautiful? I just think they're so pretty. And if you want to embellish a little bit more, you can. They're super cute, quick and easy, no stamping, no mess. So on Saturday, we're going to work on our red cards, and then Monday we'll do our blue. So we'll do 3 more cards, 3 tags each day for a total of 9 cards. And 9 tags. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. If you would like to place an order, I've got the ordering link below, along with my link to my blog, and it will show all the products used. And if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget, tomorrow's the last day for our seasonal sale. And then all month long, I've got my adhesive sale. So you get even more savings. Plus, if your order's $50 or more, I'm going to send you a kit of our card class for this month, plus an embellishment. So tons of free stuff and good deals this month. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you back on Saturday. So long.